Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is flyers and posters. Businesses and event organizers are always looking for eye-catching designs to promote their products or events. As a flyer and poster designer, you'll create visuals that grab attention and drive action. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to local businesses that need promotional materials. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy designing and want to help businesses grow. Next is voiceover work. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this skill is perfect for you. Businesses and content creators need voiceovers for videos, commercials, audiobooks, and more. Start by learning the basics of voice modulation and recording. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like voices.com or Fiverr, or reach out to content creators directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy speaking and want to tap into a growing industry. Third is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-written resume can make all the difference. As a resume writer, you'll help clients showcase their skills and experience in a way that stands out to employers. Start by learning about resume formats and industry-specific keywords. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on the level of expertise required. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or LinkedIn. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy writing and want to help others achieve their career goals. Fourth is affiliate marketing. If you enjoy promoting products and earning commissions, this skill is perfect for you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Many affiliate marketers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. To stand out, focus on creating valuable content and building an audience. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or YouTube. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about social media banners. Every business needs eye-catching banners for their social media profiles, and if you have design skills, this is a great way to earn money. As a banner designer, you'll create visuals that help businesses stand out on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, which are perfect for beginners. Many clients pay $10 to $50 per banner, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to small businesses that need help with their social media presence. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose flyers and posters, voiceover work, resume writing, affiliate marketing, or social media banners, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.